Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Desktop. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, along with a few helpful tips so you can remove a deposit confidently without causing issues in your books. Before you begin, make sure you're signed into the correct company file with permissions to edit transactions. If your workflow requires it, consider creating a backup first, especially if the deposit is from a prior period. Start by opening QuickBooks and landing on your main homepage. Give the program a moment to fully load your company data so every list and register is up to date. When you're ready, move your mouse to the left navigation and hover over the accounting section. This reveals the tools you'll use to manage your accounts and activity. Next, select Chart of Accounts. This list is the hub for all your company's accounts, including bank and credit card registers. Find the account that holds the deposit you want to remove. Most often, that will be your checking account, and click it to open the account register. The register shows a chronological list of transactions with columns for date, type, payee, and amount. In the register, locate the specific deposit you need to delete. You can sort by date or scan the type column for entries marked as deposit. If the list is long, use the search or filter options available in your view to narrow things down by amount or date. Click directly on the deposit to open its details so you can confirm you've selected the right transaction. With the deposit open, choose the delete option. Depending on your view, this may appear as a button or be available from a menu on the transaction. Deleting removes the deposit from the register and from your financial reports, so be sure you're acting on the correct entry. If the deposit was created from multiple customer payments, deleting it will return those payments to undeposited funds so you can redeposit them properly. When prompted, click Yes to confirm. QuickBooks will finalize the deletion and return you to the register. Take a moment to verify the deposit no longer appears and that your account balance reflects the change. If the deposit was part of a reconciled period, you may see a difference in your next reconciliation. Work with your accountant if you're unsure how to handle that. If you remove the wrong deposit by mistake, you can recreate it or restore from a backup if needed. That's it. You've successfully deleted a deposit, keeping your records accurate and up to date.